So, if you want to learn how to use WhatsApp Web on your PC in 2026, this video is going to show you everything step by step. Because honestly, a lot of people still think WhatsApp only works on phones, when in reality, using it on a computer can make messaging much faster and easier, especially if you work online study or spend a lot of time on your PC now. The first thing you need to know, WhatsApp Web is basically the desktop version of WhatsApp that runs directly from your browser. It allows you to send messages, reply to chats, share files, view photos, and manage conversations from your computer without constantly picking up your phone. Now, the first step, open your browser on your PCT, then go to the official WhatsApp web page, WhatsApp Web Official site. Once the page loads, you will see a QR code on the screen. Now grab your phone, open WhatsApp, then go to the settings or menu section and look for the option called linked devices. After that, tap link a device. Your phone camera will open automatically. Now, simply scan the QR code showing on your computer screen, and after a few seconds, your chats should appear directly on your PC now. Honestly, this is the moment most people realize how convenient it actually is, because typing on a keyboard is usually much faster than typing on a phone, especially for long conversations or work-related messages. Now let's talk about features, because WhatsApp Web in 2026 can do much more than basic messaging. You can send photos, videos, documents, voice notes, and even drag and drop files directly from your computer, which makes sharing content much easier. Now, another useful feature, notifications. You can allow desktop notifications so new messages appear directly on your computer screen. This helps you reply faster without constantly checking your phone. Now, here's something important. Your phone still needs internet access for synchronization. Although the platform has improved a lot over the years, some features still depend on your linked device connection. So, if your phone disconnects completely for a long time, WhatsApp Web may stop syncing correctly. Now, another thing people ask about security, and honestly, WhatsApp Web is generally safe if you use it correctly, but never leave your account open on publics or shared computers, because anybody with access to that PC could potentially see your conversations. So if you use another computer, always log out afterward. Now let's talk about troubleshooting, because sometimes people scan the QR code and nothing happens. Usually this is caused by internet connection issues, browser problems, or outdated app versions. So if it does not work, refresh the page update, WhatsApp on your phone, or try another browser. Most of the time, that fixes the issue quickly. Now, another useful option, the desktop app. Besides the browser version, you can also download the official desktop application for Windows or Mac directly from WhatsApp. Some people prefer it because it feels faster and more stable than the browser version. Now, honestly, once people start using WhatsApp on PC regularly, most do not want to go back to only using the phone, because it makes multitasking much easier, especially for work, school content creation, or business communication. So to wrap this up, if you want to use WhatsApp Web on your PC in 2026, open the official website, scan the QR code with your phone, link your device, and you can start managing your messages directly from your computer in just a few minutes.